Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable members, I warmly welcome you all to the 5th session of the 6th Legislative Assembly of the National Capital Territory of Delhi, and also convey my best wishes for the new year. My government is committed to ensure that every citizen has right to basic needs of life, and it's the duty of the government to fulfill those requirements. Accordingly, government continues to provide free water up to a monthly consumption of 20 kiloliter. Similarly, electricity tariff at reduced rates for domestic consumers up to 400 units per month continues. For inclusive development, my government had identified education as one of the key sectors. As a result of the government's focused attention for improving the quality of education, students of Delhi have done exceedingly well. At 12th level, government schools recorded a pass percentage of 89.25%, while 95.81 pass percentage was achieved at 10th level during academic session 2015-16. राजकीय प्रतिभा विकास विद्यालयाज achieved 99.62% result during the year 2015-16. To improve the educational infrastructure, construction of 20 new school buildings has been taken up. Out of those, construction of 14 school buildings has been completed. Around 8,000 additional classrooms, 7,289 additional classrooms in 146 schools by PWD, and approx 800 classrooms in 54 schools by DTT/DC are being constructed in various existing schools for improving the student classroom ratio. During the current academic session 2016-17, 5 new schools have been opened, 5 upgraded, and 7 bifurcated, 3 thereby paving the way for increasing the intake of students at different levels. Science stream was introduced in 4 more schools to promote science education. A baseline assessment conducted by the Directorate of Education showed that 74% children in class 6th could not read their textbooks or do basic mathematics. Chunauti 2018 is being run to bridge the learning deficit in students' home in schools and reading melas in communities. 1 lakh children were converted from non-readers to readers. To actively involve the parents of the students and for further improving the quality of education, 2 mega parent teacher meetings were organized by the Delhi government schools in July 2016 and October 2016 for the first time. Government has started sports coaching and training through private sports academies in government schools. In the first phase, 55 academies have been permitted to use 100 school playgrounds. 77 government school playgrounds have been opened for the public. Extra curriculum activities relating to music, dance, drama, etc. have been started in 54 model government schools. Government has also organized summer camps in 500 schools. Leadership coaching to 1024 heads of schools has been imparted. Government has been able to regulate and prevent arbitrary fee hike in the private schools where land has been allotted by government agencies. In the field of higher education, MOU has been signed between Government of NCT of Delhi and the German Federal Free State of Thuringia on 26 September 2016 to promote and encourage interaction amongst the universities, centers of higher education and research institutions in various fields, namely exchange of faculty members, exchange of academic publications and information, and development of collaborative research. Online web portal for students to apply online for availing the education loan facility has been launched on 26 2016. To upgrade infrastructure for higher education, construction of new campuses has been initiated for Ambedkar University Delhi at Rohini and Dhirpur. It is planned to complete the project by November 2020. The Karampura campus of Ambedkar University has already started from session 2016-17 with intake of 209 students for undergraduate courses. Deen Dayal Upadhyay College has started functioning from a new building at Dwarka with effect from 27/2016. Construction of the new campuses of Maharshi Valmiki College of Education at Rohini has been initiated. DDA has allotted land for construction of new college campus of Maharshi Valmiki College of Education at Sector 16 Rohini. To give further fillip to women's education, non-collegiate women's education centers NCWEC have been started in 7 colleges. These centers have started functioning with effect from 2016-17 academic session with an intake capacity of 470 persons in each college. My government has laid down special emphasis on skill development. Large numbers of ITIs are functioning which are imparting skill education in various trades. The government intends to start new ITIs for which projects are in progress. Phase 2 construction of IIT Delhi is likely to be completed by August 2017, which will accommodate additional 1400 students. World Class Skill Center is proposed to be set up at Jaunpur. At present, it is operating from a temporary site at Vivek Vihar and imparting education in hospitality operation, retail services, information and technology, accounts and banking finance. Further, 5 new polytechnics will also be set up to make Delhi a startup hub. An incubation policy was framed in the year 2015-16